Subscribe for more videos. Please comment and share. Class 8 Computer Chapter 4 Cybersecurity. Questions and answers. Fill in the blanks. Cybercrimes are performed by hacker or cybercriminals. Boot sector virus gains complete control over the master boot record. A troublemaker is a person who tries to create conflict in a social community. In farming, the victim is sent to fake website which often looks exactly similar to the original website. A file virus infects the executable files and makes them useless. 2. State whether true or false. Virus can damage the hard disk of the computer. Answer: true. It is safe to open email attachments from any person. Answer: false. Passwords should be strong and not easily guessable. Answer: true. Cyber attack is done to gain access to data of an entity. Answer: true. It is okay if we do not install antivirus in computer. Answer: false. 3. Select the most suitable alternative. A. Which of the following is a motive behind cyber attack? I. Play games on others' computer. E. Illegal access to data. E. Physically harming a person. IV. Making a person laugh. Answer: E. Physically harming a person. B. Which of the following describes cyberbullying? I. Sending embarrassing messages. E. Posting embarrassing images. E. Both I and E. Closing parenthesis. IV. None of these. Answer: I. Sending embarrassing messages. C. Which of the following malware is related to email? I. Spam. E. Worms. E. Trojan horse. IV. All of these. Answer: E. Trojan horse. D. For which category is cybersecurity necessary? I. Individuals. E. Companies. E. Governments. IV. All of these. Answer: I. Individuals. A. Which of the following is allowed by Indian IT Act 2000? I. Digital signatures. E. Hoarding of money. E. Hacking. IV. Cyber terrorism. Answer: I. Digital signatures. 4. Write short notes on. A. Program file virus. Answer: a program file virus is a type of virus that infects the executable files with the intention of causing permanent damage or making them useless. B. Trojan horse. Answer: a Trojan horse is a malware that silently intrudes into a host computer along with contents or email attachments or software like computer games that appear to be genuine, but are not actually so. C. Phishing. Answer: phishing is a cybercrime in which the confidential information such as passwords or credentials of emails, social media, banking, debit credit card etc. are filched or grabbed by miscreants. D. Cyber trolling. Answer: a troll is an entity who intentionally tries to create conflict by provocative or offensive messages. Cyber trolling mainly happens on social media platforms where the person with malicious intent deliberately uploads indecent or offensive comments and tries to upset or harass others in the online conversation. A. Password. Answer: a password can be termed as a key of codes that protects our valuable contents, documents or files from others' access. F. Malware. Answer: malware refers to infectious programs that hamper the functioning of a computer system. 5. Mention about some symptoms and harms of a virus infection. Answer: the most common symptoms of a computer virus infection are: your computer slows down without any reason. Your computer system has less available memory than it should. Unknown programs or files are being created. Programs or files become missing. 6. What are cyber laws? Why are they required? Answer: cyber law, also called IT law, is the law regarding information technology including computers and the internet. It is related to legal informatics and supervises the digital circulation of information, software, information security, and e-commerce. 7. What are the different measures to prevent virus infection in a computer? Answer: back up your files regularly. Install antivirus or anti-malware software. Keep your antivirus software up to date. Run antivirus scans regularly. Keep your operating system up to date. Protect your network. Think before you click. Keep your personal information secure. Don't use unsecured Wi-Fi. 8. Write some features of the Indian IT Act 2000. Answer: all electronic contracts created through secure electronic channels were legally valid. Legal recognition for digital signatures. Security measures for electronic records and conjointly digital signatures are in place. Next, Chapter 5, Coding in Python. Don't forget to subscribe Power Brain TV. Thanks for watching.